Imagine an attack helicopter so agile it can twist through the sky like a fighter jet, yet so heavily armed it can pulverize anything from kilometers away, all while shrugging off hostile fire. What else did Russia release this time? Let's find out. That is the image Russia pushed onto the world stage on November 17th at the Dubai Airshow 2025, where the upgraded Ka-52 made its grand debut. But this was no ordinary appearance. This was a declaration that Russia's most feared attack helicopter is entering a new era. Now armed with the updated Viker-1 missiles and enhanced with the KHMD multipurpose guided weapon system, transforming the platform into something far more dangerous and far more survivable than before. The Ka-52 has already carved its reputation across the Ukrainian battlefield as one of the most lethal rotary-wing assets of the war. But with these upgrades, its influence is about to expand dramatically. The first wave of attention at Dubai centered around the Ka-52's ability to perform advanced aerobatic maneuvers rarely seen in attack helicopters. Pilots demonstrated vertical climbs, tight spirals, and evasive rolls, movements that would normally push conventional helicopters to their limits. What makes this possible is the coaxial rotor design, a trademark of Kamov engineering, which cancels out torque and provides unmatched stability and responsiveness. But the true highlight wasn't the helicopter's acrobatics, it was what hung beneath its stub wings. The updated Viker-1 missile, now fully integrated into the latest Ka-52 models, represents a significant evolution in Russia's precision strike capabilities. The Viker-1 is a supersonic anti-tank missile with laser beam riding guidance, capable of cutting through modern armor systems at a range of up to 10 kilometers. More importantly, the updated version delivered to Russian forces comes with enhanced penetration performance, improved resistance to jamming, and a highly efficient fragmentation warhead. This means it is designed not only for tanks and armored vehicles, but also for infantry clusters, UAV ground control systems, command posts, and low-flying aircraft. In a war where Ukraine increasingly disperses assets to avoid detection, a missile that can adapt to multiple target types is a major advantage. Russian media sources reported that units began receiving these upgraded missiles in early October, shortly before a Ka-52 conducted a precision strike against a Ukrainian UAV control post, a mission that illustrated exactly how the new system changes the calculus on the battlefield. The KHMD multipurpose missile unveiled alongside Viker-1 further broadens the helicopter's options. Unlike older variants limited to anti-tank roles, the KHMD is designed as a flexible weapon for multiple environments and purposes, from hardened shelters to moving armored vehicles and even enemy air defenses. The KHMD's adaptive seeker and multi-mode guidance allow the Ka-52 to strike targets under conditions where traditional missiles would struggle. Together, Viker-1 and KHMD turn the Ka-52 into a platform that can engage nearly any target it encounters, whether stationary or moving, armored or soft, hidden or exposed. The helicopter now carries a hybrid hunting loadout, long-range weapons for standoff attacks, and highly maneuverable munitions for close-in engagements. This blend of reach and precision is what gives Russia's attack aviation renewed momentum. But the question that always arises is survival. How can a helicopter, even one as sophisticated as the Ka-52, deliver its payload while under the threat of modern air defense systems, especially the ones active in Ukraine, such as MANPADS, IR-guided missiles, and mobile air defense vehicles? The answer lies in three interconnected layers: maneuverability, sensor technology, and standoff engagement. The second layer of survival is situational awareness. Modernized Ka-52 variants include enhanced radar systems, optical targeting modules, and defensive sensors that detect incoming threats. These systems alert the crew when a missile is approaching, allowing them to deploy countermeasures and perform evasive combat maneuvers. The Ka-52's defensive suite includes flares, electronic warfare pods, and directional jamming tools designed to confuse incoming IR-guided weapons. This is crucial in the Ukrainian conflict, where shoulder-launched missiles like Stinger, Igla, and Piorun have accounted for many aircraft losses. The Alligator has repeatedly demonstrated that it can soak up hostile fire and still return to base, a testament to both its protection systems and its rugged composite armor. The third and perhaps most decisive factor is standoff capability. The Vickr-1 missile grants the Ka-52 the option to strike from well outside the effective range of most MANPADS, with a maximum range of up to 10 kilometers and the ability to engage multiple targets in rapid succession. The helicopter does not need to hover or close in. Instead, it can perform a fast pop-up attack, briefly rising from cover, launching several Vickr-1s, and then immediately diving back into concealment. This tactic has been widely used throughout the war in Ukraine, especially in regions with flat terrain such as Kherson and Zaporizhia. When combining all these elements, agility, intelligence, and long-range striking power, the Ka-52 becomes not just an attack helicopter, but a survivor, one capable of sustaining offensive pressure even in heavily contested airspace. The integration of Vickr-1 only amplifies this strength. The upgraded missile's supersonic speed reduces the enemy's reaction window, while its laser beam riding guidance ensures high resistance to jamming. Whether the target is a fortified trench line, an armored vehicle, or a field headquarters, Vickr-1 offers a lethal blend of precision and destructive output. As Russia continues to enhance its attack aviation and integrate advanced missiles into frontline units, the Ka-52's evolution represents a shift in rotary-wing warfare. Faster, deadlier, and tougher than earlier versions, the helicopter now enters the battlefield not just as a gunship, but as a strategic asset capable of shaping engagements from the air. So, that's what we have for today. Thanks for watching.